गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो मेरे बच्चों? अच्छे हो? ओके। सो P block, I know that this is a theoretical chapter and I think you will get bored in this chapter, but whatever I can I am doing, जैसे आप थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग फील करो ये चैप्टर को, ठीक है? तो इसलिए मैं बहुत ही छोटे छोटे वीडियोस रख रही हूँ, एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट ही हम पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है? चलो तो डिस्कस करते हैं पहले तो रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स हैलोजन। वी आर ऑन द ग्रुप 15 ओनली, सो इन दैट फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट द plus 3 valency of metal. Actually not a metal, this M indicates the group 15 elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. They have metals, non-metals and semi-metals also. So they have tendency to form what? Trihalides. Okay, so first point is they form trihalides of the formula MX3 with pyramidal shape. I hope you can understand here. These will form a pyramidal shape. Okay, this is nothing but trigonal pyramidal shape. Okay, in next they form pentahalides of the formula. They form pentahalides of the formula MX5 with trigonal bipyramidal shape. Let's draw the trigonal bipyramid in this. Okay, this is nothing but trigonal bipyramidal. These are two axial bonds. Okay, and equatorial bonds also present. Yes, hybridization in this is nothing but sp3 and hybridization in this is sp3d. Be clear with your mind. Now let's discuss the question which is asked from these topics are. The question number 1 is all the bonds in PCl5 are not equivalent. All the bonds in PCl5 are not equivalent. Why? Let's discuss its answer. It is because along axial lines there are greater repulsion. You might be know what are axial and what is equatorial. Okay, these are equatorial, these are axial. So we will write the answer. It is because along axial lines there are greater repulsion. Therefore, to minimize repulsion, Axial bonds are elongated that is longer than equatorial bonds. Okay, these two are what? Equatorial, and these are axial. So these are larger than equatorial bonds. Okay, next question. Students, we are discussing question answer also along with the topic, so we will take time to complete this chapter, but yes, it will be clear. Pentahalides are more covalent than trihalides, so for that you should know the Fajans rule properly. If you don't know the Fajan rule, please go through my videos. In that I have given 3 videos for the Fajans rule. Now Fajans rule states that size of bromide should be more. I mean size of actually anion should be more and size of cation should be less to show the more covalent character. So it is because in pentahalides oxidation state of the central metal atom is high, thus its charge density, polarizing power is high, so greater is the covalent character. जितना चार्ज ज़्यादा होगा उतने ही ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने डोनेट कर रखे होंगे और उतनी ही कैटायन की साइज जो है वो डिक्रीज होगी, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रखे हैं तो उसके सामने प्रोटॉन इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे और प्रोटॉन इंक्रीज होने से न्यूक्लियस में चार्ज डेंसिटी बढ़ जाएगी और पोलराइजिंग पावर इंक्रीज होने से क्या हो जाएगा कि ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो कम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है वो ज़्यादा न्यूक्लियस की ओर खींचे रहेंगे और कैटायन की साइज जो है वो स्मॉल रहेगी. ब्रोमाइड्स आर मोर कोवेलेंट देन क्लोराइड्स because size of bromides are more than the chlorides. Please keep in your mind that size of anion should be more, then it shows more covalent character, and size of cation should be less, then it shows more covalent character. It is because longer the size of the anion, more is its polarizability and greater its covalent character. BiF3 is predominantly ionic. As we go down in a group, what happens? Metallic character increases. So Bi is the longest cation and F minus is the smallest ion. Least polarizability in the F minus. जिसका कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर कम हो उसका आयनिक कैरेक्टर ज़्यादा होता है, तो ये दोनों का कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर लेस है, दैट्स वाई दे आर मोर आयनिक. ओके. PCl5 exists while NCl5 do not. Actually PCl5 means 5 कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म कर सकता है. वो 5 जो है उसके साथ 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फॉस्फोरस के शेयरिंग होने चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर क्या हुआ होगा कि भाई फॉस्फोरस के पास तो डी और वैकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल है और दे कैन फाइंड मैक्सिमम 5 कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, बट नाइट्रोजन डू नॉट कंटेन d orbital, so they cannot form maximum number of 5 covalent bonds, so they exist only in 3 coordination number, but phosphorus can exist 5 coordination number also. Similar reason in this question also. PH3P tends to 0 exists while R3N is equal to 0 does not, because N does not have vacant d orbital. 5 electrons can't get unpaired and nitrogen can't form 5 sigma bonds. I am giving you one homework question from this topic. Please make a note. H and H angle value is higher than other members of the group. Give reason. Next topic is reactivity towards the oxygen. So here we know that the valency is of type M+3 and M+5. So they will form, if M plus 3, they will form M2O3 type of oxides. If it is M plus 5, then it will form M2O5 type of oxides. What M indicates? M indicates group 15 elements here. Now, the oxide in the higher oxidation state, this is general. Please remember, oxide of higher oxidation state, just like here it's plus 5, so it is greater than this, more acidic than the lower oxidation. So M2O5 is more acidic than M2O3. Okay, so when we go down, acidic character decreases, as we have studied, because metallic character increases. As we go down the group, metals are basic in nature and non-metals are acidic in nature. Non-metallic character decrease, hence acidic character decrease. Metallic character increase, hence basic characteristics will be increase. Okay, so here we have enlisted the oxides of group 15 elements. These two are acidic, these two are amphoteric, means partly they exhibit the property of acid and partly they exhibit the property of base, means they can act as acid, even they can act as base. The last topic of introduction of group 15 elements is nothing but reactivity towards the metals. All these elements react with metals to form their binary compounds exhibiting -3 oxidation state. Listen here, Ca plus 2 and N minus 3 calcium nitride, Na plus 1 and As minus 3 sodium arsenide. This will not come. Na plus 1 and As minus 3. Yes, now Ca plus 2, phosphorus minus 3, so it is Ca3P2, that is calcium phosphide. So now we have completed all the basic properties or trends related to 15 groups. So let's, in next lecture we will move on with the compounds of group 15 elements.